treat yourself. Hi everyone, it's Celeste and welcome to my channel. Today on my channel we are actually going to be opening a present. Actually, this isn't a present, but whenever you forget about an order and it comes in the mail, it feels like a present. And I know that this is specifically a wig. So we are going to be reviewing this wig from AliExpress. This wig is something, but let's find out. I already think I know what it is. So let's go ahead and dive right in. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm CelesteOrchid. I am a cosplayer since 2005. I mainly prioritize my cosplay in sewing and I love fashion. So if you're new here, please click that red button down below to subscribe. Let's go ahead and open my present to myself. I wish this had like one of those rippy openy like strippy parts. Oh, well, no need. If you guys wondering why I'm wearing like such a festive sweater and a nice pearl necklace, it's because treat yourself. Remember that saying of treat yourself? Treating yourself is such a good feeling, and you know, you just want to look good and feel good too. So hence the makeup, not just for the pageantry of it all. Anyways, voila! It's a blonde wig. Look at that. It's a blonde wig. Wow. It's a blonde and pink wig. I know exactly which wig this is. This is my KDA Ahri the Baddest Wig. I did not order the ears with it because I plan on making my own ears, and you know, as a cosplayer, I like doing that kind of thing. So let's go ahead and open it. So I'm kind of worried about the color already. The bottom part looks so red. Oh, what is that? Automatically 5 stars. I love these people. Alrighty. So you can see the color. Like this looks like a red. It should be more of a pink. Like, I'm not sure I like that. I might just being really hard on them. I have to see it on myself. Me being a pink connoisseur, I expected it to be more like the bag. But it's not! Okay, so let's go ahead and take it out the box. Technically that's a box that helps keep the wig in shape. You don't want to throw those away because if you like start storing your wigs and such, they'll get crushed and then you'll get misshapen. Oh, a second quality is it a skin cap? Skin cap is so huge to me. You don't want a low quality wig without a skin cap. The inside looks pretty clean and nice. This is synthetic fibers. The fibers are actually two-toned. So I'm looking at it here. This is not like a lot of Nezuko wigs, where Nezuko wigs are actually one black layer and the underlayer is just orange, and I hate that. That is just my feelings. You can feel free to like it if you want. I don't. First impressions. Oh, this is really thick. It's pretty long and it's slightly curled. I'll appreciate that. The blend is nice. So this can potentially double as a Cheryl Gnome wig if she has no bangs, quote unquote. So that's an idea, or you could cut bangs into it if you don't want to be Ahri anymore and you want this to, like, you want to use this as a different wig. This just looks more red compared to the pink color that I was expecting, and that really throws me off because now with the Santa hat, it looks very red next to each other. So I'm a little hurt, just a little. But overall, the quality of the fibers feels really nice. It's very clean. There's no inside problems with the cap at all. And it has a little 2 nicky-nackies here. It is not a lace front. But the good part is they have this additional like little sewing piece right here. So if you wanted to add an extra weft clip, you can, and I highly appreciate that. So, enough stroking the wig, now it's time to put it on. Later. Okay, here we are with my hair up and ready for the wig. New wigs are so much fun, you know. It's just a really fun treat. Oh, I'm making it staticky by playing with it too much. Okay, alright, so you can tell it's totally plastic because of that. And here we go, from naughty to haughty. I feel like Harley Quinn immediately. I don't like this. I could totally turn it into a Harley Quinn wig. Alright, now that it's on, let's see. Wow! Oh man, I don't think this blonde looks good on me at all. This is quite a look. I look so cute with the cat ears now. Okay, hold on. Okay, first initial thoughts. Now I can see myself in the viewfinder and with my wig. Oh man. I mean, it just looks like a wig. You can't, without having it be like a skin cap, like a lace front, it totally looks fake, which, you know, that's okay. I don't live for this color. I don't live for this, but the wig itself is okay. Not a huge fan. I mean, I didn't pay too much money for it, but the quality overall is pretty dang good. Especially for it being the way that it is right here. Maybe it's just because I'm not used to having a part like this. I think I would have to do some slight modifications. So, one of the biggest things that I like about this is that it's a wig. Okay. General thoughts. I am not happy with the bottom color of this. This is not a hot pink to me. This is a fuchsia. It should have been a carnation pink, so ease up on the dye, ladies and gentlemen. Ease up, and then you got it. Overall, it's super... Overall, it's super soft. I do like the length of it. I think the length is super appropriate. It's just the color is throwing me off. The blonde itself is a very platinum blonde, which is correct to the character. Am I in love with this? No. Am I happy I have it? Yes. Will I be doing the baddest cosplay? Eventually. You know how my channel has been going. I keep saying that I'm going to work on something, and it's taken me literally a year to finish Elsa's Fifth Element dress. Now, is that something that I have a problem with? Absolutely. And, you know, sometimes it's just nice to be able to treat yourself to something new. I will be working on other things, so let me know what you think of this cosplay wig. It is listed down below. Should I do more videos where I am, like, order a random wig and just unbox it here on the channel and let you know how it looks before I turn it into the costume? I don't know. Anyways, thanks so much for joining me on this journey. I hope you like the new do. Aha! Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Check out some of my videos floating around me right here. And stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!